sensitive. I'm fucking Asian, mind you. I can be sensitive? Of course I can. White people, they can be sensitive too. Okay? Don't act so special. Because you're N-word. There you go. From here. Listen, 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 Matt Black. I woke up in so hard as shit running this freaking Friday. But we got no choice but to turn it inside the ways. Can you fucking hear the lyric? What up, man? What up, man? Okay? I didn't even say it clearly. Reported, reported. How about I'm the one who banned you? Oh! Oopsie my nigga, oopsie my nigga. Oh shit, I banned him. Do I give a shit? No. Come on, man. It's just a fucking word. Just because I say the word, does that mean you're back in the history again? No, you don't. We don't need to ban him. He's not a threat. It's fine, Chase, for now. Cause like he's so sensitive. Like, oh my god, report it, report it. Stupid ass bitch. What up, my nigga? Look, there's this girl, the Russian song. iPhone copy. So she make a fun of Asian people like this. For me, yeah, she shouldn't do that, but it doesn't really affect me because she got a fucking way worse face. You know what I mean? So I don't have to be act so hurt, like, oh my god, you insulted us, Asian. Meanwhile, her lip is fucking like this. Yo. Fellas, grab your ladies if your lady's fine. Tell her she the one. Wait, how did my bot trick says like this? Matt Black has watched this channel for 40 minutes. What? How's that happen? How the fuck does bot trick say like that? Huh.